Hey, what up, fellas? It's Carlos here with Backyard Diesels. I'll do this in English and Spanish. First one. Oh shit. There you go. Let me see. Yeah, we're good. Pedals backwards. All right. I'm gonna show you guys how to bleed a system on a 6.4. This is a truck that a customer did the fuel filters change, and god dang. So got new filters, but one thing I wanted to show you, I come over here. This is one of the aftermarket fuel filter that goes on top. Always be careful. Don't buy this shit. This fucking $15, $20 filter set. Buy you damn Motorcraft. Spend the extra $40, $50. These damn oh shit, it's dark. This particular gasket that goes in the filter, this sets on the housing down. You know, that's the top part, goes on your cap. I see a lot of these come off. These gaskets come off and stay in the housing. Then you come back and put your other filter on top of it without realizing it. So that's one thing that you gotta be careful about. Well, here's this truck. That's the 6.4. Caesar! The high Caesar! Alright, here's the bad boy. So, it's got new filters in there. I was towed in. I got the charger on there. Let me see if this bitch will even crank. It's cranking. On the scanner, I'm building no pressure. It's actually kind of low on battery still. But he changed the fuel filters, and it's very important to do your 7, 10 cycles. Shit, do 20. It doesn't matter, because this could take you all day. Practically, sometimes it might take you a few minutes, might take you hours. But it's me basically. If I'm gonna show you this trick. You don't need no special attachments and shit and vent up into the atmosphere in a tank. So, okay, here we go. This is a little setup. All you need is a 17 and a screwdriver. There goes for your oil fuel cooler on the fuel system. This one's, you know, supposedly to purge. You could purge it, attach it here, and vent up into the air. You don't need none of that. So it's gonna be hard to do, but I'm gonna try to explain it with one hand. So what you do is you cycle the key forward. So there's air in the fuel rails. That's what you want to get out, because the fuel rail pressure sensor is not reading it. If there's a bubble right up against it, it's not reading shit. So you remember, you have 30 seconds to do this. So I'm gonna cycle the key forward. So just keep in mind, you have 30 seconds. I could turn it on with my scanner, but I'm doing this for the guys that don't. So you come over here. Remember, there's a catcher below. You'll see air and shit come out of here. You see all that air? And remember to close it back up before your cycle comes complete. It's getting close. I'm guessing maybe 20 seconds. I'm gonna close it by hand, so air won't get catch up in there. Now you take this little thing. It's always good to do it both hands. There's more air in there. All right, so the cycle stopped. No more pressure. This thing only has about 3. Most trucks that I see 3 to 8 pounds. So we're gonna come back again and do it again. Cycle the key back, forward again. So that gives you an additional 30 seconds. Remember your catcher, because you're gonna lose a lot of fuel. And remember to have at least damn half a tank. Don't go in there trying to do it with the quarter tank. So we're back. What's loose now still. It's getting close, but I know you see the air, you could hear them pop out. Actually, this is a weak pump, so it might be a little hard. This one's probably got 3 pounds on it. I'm gonna close it back up before my 30 seconds runs back out. I'm getting all the air out, all of it. Okay, the pump stopped already. So here we go again. Same thing, and just keep going. But I think these batteries are actually really weak. So Okay, I kind of see no more air. Shit, this is actually a quick one. Okay, no more air. Let's tighten this up. Let me check this other one. We're still getting air. Okay, the pump stopped again. Make sure to tighten that. It's kind of bleeding like a brake system. Now I'm gonna try to crank it just to see if I get more air and key back off. Like really quick. Back off. And then cycle your key back again. Because I'm close. I didn't see that many air bubbles no more. Let's try it again. It's actually not that bad. Tighten it. Check this other one. I saw a little air bubble, so I'm gonna try it again. Try to crank it. You'll see when the pump turns off and the pressure just, who gives a shit that it turned off. The lift pump. There, I'll be on the passenger side right here. Let's try it again. Cycle the key. It's actually easier with your scanner. I just leave it on. Leave the lift pump on. Try it again. Actually, it's pretty much seeing just diesel only now. There you go. It should be good now. So now we're good to go. Just because this took me 5 minutes, might take you fucking hours sometimes. Depends how much air you got in there. Especially if it's on the fucking tip of those edges of the fuel rails, which you can't see. They're inside the damn valve covers. Okay, just double check, make sure this is good. I didn't touch that one. Just to be safe, that's good. Do it one more time. You just see that? No air, don't hold it because you're sucking air. I just sucked air into it again. An idiot. So just cycle it. Again. There you go. You see that air that I sucked in there? That's a no-no. Okay, we're good now. So let's try to cycle this bad boy. Shit, damn it. Okay, now you're gonna cycle it normal. Wait 30 seconds in between. 3, 4, 5 times. If this bitch doesn't start, you just have to keep going. And like I said, it takes may take you an hour, may take you 2, 4, 5, all day sometimes. And sometimes shit, you end up burning up the starter just from trying it for so long. Okay, I'm cycling it again. There you go. Let it run, it might die. Oh, this fucking actually didn't take me that long. Just let it run. Got a major oil leak. And an exhaust leak somewhere. Oh, there you have it. That's how much fuel you're gonna lose. There's the fuel. So we're good now. Bueno, mi raza. Switching Spanish now. Ya miraron lo que hice para pulgar el sistema de esta 6.4. No necesitan herramientas especiales ni nada. Nomás tomar su tiempo. Se pueden tardar minutos. No deben de haber nada de aire, ni una bolita, ni nada. Debe de darle el llavazo, pararle. Y solo mañas. Fíjense, estén seguros que no tenga aire el sistema. Y bueno, ojalá esto les ayude. Ya miraron lo que hice. Si tienen un scanner, pueden prender la lift pump y hacer lo mismo, nomás que esté prendida hasta que le salga. Pero bueno, eso es todo. Ojalá les ayude. Oh shit. Alright fellas, well if you guys have a scanner that's kind of a little easier, those techs that you can do the same thing. You turn on your lift pump and leave it on. So Hopefully this video is helpful. Don't go out and buy. You don't need no special attachments, banjo bolts and shit. You just need a damn, like I said, 17 and a screwdriver to get all the air out of the system. So that's all you need. Hopefully like, subscribe, comment. Appreciate all you guys that comment, and I try to answer people as quick as I can. Para toda la gente que necesita ayuda en español, también estoy para eso. Muchas gracias. Aquí Carlos Backyard Diesel checking out. Muchas gracias a todos. Hasta luego.